Enoch, the man when God carry go, Genesis chapter 5 verse 21 to 24. See gist, among all the people for Genesis chapter 5, one man stand out, Enoch. Bible talk say Enoch waka with God for 300 years. Not just waka, he live with sense and holiness, and one day God just carry am go. He no see death like others. Wetin Enoch do? He no follow crowd, he no copy corruption. He dey loyal to God steady. God see say Enoch serious, he just carry am go. Lessons wey we fit learn. If you follow God steady, you go escape many wahala wey dey kill others. Your waka with God fit save your life. Type Enoch if you wan waka with God 100%. Abeg make you like, share and subscribe so that this my channel go grow by God's grace.